In this video, we're going to reveal some of the most effective strategies for achieving your financial goals through investing. Let's get started. Develop a clear investment plan. When it comes to investing, having a clear plan is crucial to your success. Without a plan, it's all too easy to make impulsive decisions that can derail your financial goals. But don't worry, developing a plan is easier than you might think. First, you need to identify your financial goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or looking to start your own business? Whatever your goal, make sure it's specific, measurable, and has a timeline. This will give you a clear target to work towards. Next, you'll need to figure out how much money you'll need to reach your goal and how much you can realistically save or invest each month. A financial advisor or budgeting tools can help you with this. Once you know how much you need to save, you can start figuring out where to invest your money. But wait, before you start investing your money, it's important to assess your risk tolerance. It's the level of risk you can afford to take on when investing your money. It's not the same for everyone, and different type of investments have different level of risks. Understand your risk tolerance will help you to build a diversified portfolio that align with your goals. Now you've got a clear plan in place. You'll be able to make informed decisions about where to invest your money, and you'll be more likely to reach your financial goals. Remember, a plan is not something set in stone, and you can always adjust it as your life changes or as the market conditions change, but having a plan in the first place is a great start. Diversify your portfolio. Before we get to that, I would like to introduce the sponsor of this video, the Frugal Living ebook. Our comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost cutting, and finding affordable alternatives to everyday expenses. But it's not just about saving money. Our ebook also explores the personal and environmental benefits of living frugally, such as increased creativity, gratitude, and a reduced environmental impact. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start living a more fulfilling and sustainable life, don't wait any longer. Order our ebook via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. Now let's get back into the video. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt and you found a treasure chest filled with all different kinds of precious gems and metals, diamonds, gold, silver, and even a few rubies. Each one is unique and valuable in its own way, and together they create a diverse and valuable collection. Well, investing your money is a lot like that treasure hunt, and diversifying your portfolio is like creating that treasure chest. By spreading your money out among different types of investments, you're reducing your risk and increasing your chances of success. For example, stocks and bonds are two different types of investments that have different risk levels and returns. While stocks tend to be more volatile and can generate higher returns, bonds tend to be more stable and provide more consistent returns. By investing in both, you can balance out the risks and increase your chances of success. Another example, you can also diversify your investment within the same class. For example, within the stock category, you can invest in different sectors and geographies. Investing in domestic and international companies with different industry exposure can help you to balance out the risks of having a concentration of investments in one sector or geography. But remember, diversifying your portfolio doesn't mean spreading your money thin. You still need to make sure you're investing in high-quality assets that align with your investment plan and goals. Think of your portfolio like a delicious smoothie, where each investment is a different ingredient, a mix of fruits, vegetables, and even some dairy. The combination of all these ingredients not only makes the smoothie healthy but also delicious. Stay patient and disciplined. Investing can be a bit like gardening. It takes time, patience, and discipline to cultivate your financial growth. And just like a gardener, you need to be prepared for the seasons and weather of the market. It's important to remember that not all investments will grow at the same pace, and some may even experience setbacks, but with a little patience and discipline, you'll be able to reap the rewards in the end. One of the keys to staying patient and disciplined is to have a long-term plan in place. This will help you to avoid the common mistake of buying high and selling low during market fluctuations. Instead, you can hold on to your investments for the long term and ride out the ups and downs of the market. Another important strategy is to avoid impulsive decisions. Investing can be emotional, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype of a hot stock or the fear of a market downturn. But by following your plan and sticking to your investment strategy, you'll be able to make decisions based on logic, not emotion. Disciplined and patient investors are also the ones that tend to do better in the long term, and they tend to compound their money faster, just like a weightlifter who over time, consistent practice and effort can see results. Think about it, a weightlifter who trains consistently over time will see results and become stronger. But if he decides to quit and start over again, he'll lose his progress and have to start from scratch. It's the same with investing. Consistency and discipline will help you to achieve your financial goals. Consider professional management. When it comes to investing, you have a few options. You can do it on your own, or you can enlist the help of a professional. And just like a team sport, professional management can help you to achieve your financial goals much faster and with less risk. Working with a professional can give you access to expertise and resources that might be difficult for individual investors to come by. For example, a financial advisor can help you to create a personalized investment plan, offer advice on where to invest your money, and provide guidance on managing risk. One type of professional management is the use of robo-advisors, which use algorithms and computer programs to manage your investments. They can be an affordable and efficient way to manage your portfolio, and they typically have low fees. However, they are not personalized as working with a human financial advisor. On the other hand, working with a human advisor has its own advantages: personalized advice and the ability to communicate with them and ask questions. They can also help you with financial planning like retirement planning and taxes management, which can be more complex than just managing a portfolio. Just like a team sport, you can pick and choose the best players for your team. If you're a basketball player, you'll want to pick a point guard to handle the ball, a power forward to rebound, a shooter to score, and so on. In investing, you can choose to work with a robo-advisor, a financial advisor, or a combination of both, depending on your needs and preferences. And there you have it. You've just learned some of the most effective strategies for achieving your financial goals through investing. From developing a clear investment plan to diversifying your portfolio and staying patient and disciplined, to considering professional management, you now have the tools you need to take control of your financial future and invest your money for success. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro looking for new strategies, we hope this video has been helpful. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to see the results. But with the right plan in place and a bit of discipline, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial dreams. Imagine yourself in your dream home, traveling the world and having enough money to do what you love. It's a great feeling and it's within reach. All you need to do is start investing your money today. Just like the end of a movie, you feel satisfied and excited for the next chapter. Investing is the same. It's an ongoing process, but with the strategies and tips that you've learned today, you'll be well on your way to a financially secure and satisfying future.